Hi everyone, my name is Ivan and I will be your SI leader for chemistry this semester. A little bit about me. My major is liberal studies and I plan to apply for programs in health careers. You may ask what's the SI leaders. I'm a student who has studied this course before and received a high grade. My job as a SI leader is to help you succeed in this class through the online sessions. During these sessions, I would assist you with reviewing course materials, discussing the important concepts, dealing with mathematical problems, showing time management, study strategy, and more. I will use materials like practice questions, Kahoot, Google Jamboard, and other activities to help you succeed in this class. SI session is a 1-hour session and we have 2 sessions each week. The time of SI session will be determined by the survey in the first week. In the second week, we will begin our SI sessions. SI sessions are completely free, voluntary, and anonymous, meaning professor won't be able to see who has and hasn't attended SI sessions. At the beginning of each week, I will post a notification reminding you to attend SI sessions and giving you an easy way to access them. I look forward to working with you this semester and I hope to see you in SI sessions. Thanks for watching this video and make sure to check my announcement for more details.